Hello and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. After we went on the Disney Magic cruise for our honeymoon, we actually went down to Disney's Vero Beach Resort to stay there for our first time ever. We did do a little room tour when we were there, so we were in a Deluxe Studio at Disney's Vero Beach and wanted to share that room tour just separately on our channel too, in case you're ever wondering what a Vero Beach room is like, or you've actually booked Vero Beach and want to see. This is a Deluxe Studio at Vero Beach, and we didn't book an ocean view or anything. We actually had to do it through one of the websites where you purchase DVC points and rent them through that, because we are not DVC members and Disney's Vero Beach is a DVC resort, so we were super happy to book it. We did not book an ocean view, but we were super surprised because our room actually ended up being on the 3rd floor and it was facing towards the ocean, so while it wasn't like a full ocean view, we still could see the ocean from the room, so it was amazing. So let's jump right into the room tour. We are in the Villa Building 12, Vacation Home 12, and she did say we got a 3rd floor room, and I think it's facing the ocean, so we shall see. So they do have either stairs or elevators, which is nice. So we're gonna take the elevator up. We are in room 1238. Oh, and it's like right out of the elevator and right by these stairs. So here we go. We're gonna see our room for the first time. This is a Deluxe Studio. But I think we got a good location, 3rd floor, and we're facing towards the ocean, so it should be nice. Oh, and our luggage is just here and waiting for us. Wonderful. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is really, really nice. Oh, the air conditioning feels so good. So before we messy up the room, we'll do a little room tour. Oh, that's really cute. Congratulations, Jamie and Ari, because we got married. Some cool sea turtles here. Oh, Jamie, look at the room occupied sign too. It has sleepy. That's funny. I like that. And then a little couch here. Oh, a little kitchenette area. That's really nice. Oh, a Keurig and K-cups and coffee. That is awesome. Nice little mini fridge. Some storage. Sink, ice bucket, microwave. This is so nice. I didn't know we were gonna have all this. Wow, there's even like plates and a toaster and paper towels. That light is really cool. Nice backsplash too. Paper towels there. All the colors are fantastic. Oh, and there's a little hidden Mickey in the towels here. That is super cute. And extra toilet paper rolls. Wow. Really nice bathroom too. This countertop is really cool too. Mirror, lights, toilet, shower / tub. I think these are the exact same ones they had on the Magic. The shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. I really like all the colors. And then this is, I think, a little closet it looks like. Yes, indeed, it is a little closet. And then this is like, it doesn't lead anywhere. I think it's a connecting room for if you had the other room, you could open it. Should I look? The connecting room, so if you had both, these would be awesome to have connecting rooms for, but we don't know who's staying over there, so we're just gonna leave it locked. And then a nice little table here, really nice little bed, side table, and it is updated with, like, I see the USB plugs there, a phone, some next to the bed, storage and drawers. And then, yeah, like Jamie was saying, we do have a really cool balcony too, connected. And we do have an ocean view, kind of. Wow, this is amazing. Chairs with turtles on them, and we can see out to the ocean. I mean, we're not like right on the ocean with like a direct ocean view, but I'd call that an ocean view. It's really, really nice. I like this room a lot. So we hope you like getting to see the Deluxe Studio room at Disney's Vero Beach. We really liked staying there. We were only there for 2 nights, but we were there most of the full day that we got there and checked in. So if you haven't seen that video too, from our whole Disney Magic and Honeymoon series where we went on the cruise and then to Vero Beach after. I will put the first video from Vero Beach right above here so you can check that one out, and then if you want to watch the rest, you can check those out as well. But the room was really nice. Vero Beach was really nice. It is more of a chill resort, somewhere you'd probably go for, you know, just a few days to relax and kind of unwind, but we were super happy we got to check it out. And if you're ever going to Vero Beach, we hope this video helped you get to see what a deluxe studio room looked like. If you did enjoy this video or found it helpful at all, we would really appreciate if you would consider giving a like on the video. It does really help the channel. And if you also want to see more of these videos, more room tours, more of our Disney content, theme parks, anything else, we would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel as well and ring that bell so you can be notified every time that we do post a new video. And as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.